Here's a great deal on a 2017 Lexus LX 570. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as leather upholstery, variably intermittent wipers, a headlight cleaning system, illuminated running boards, power moonroof, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and a blind spot monitoring system. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 8. Lexus also prioritized safety and security with features such as traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.